to my channel for another video. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button to join the family and click the notification bell so you never miss one of my uploads. So now that we've got that out of the way, I wanted to talk to you guys about the spring twist that I have installed in my head right now. So I know a lot of my new subscribers have come from my spring twist tutorial I did a few months back. So I am rocking spring twist again, courtesy of Youngther hair on Amazon. I'll have all of their links down below in the description box. So I have in the color 1B30. It comes in a pack with 6 bundles and I used 5 bundles to complete this style. So I have a twist in the front that's just on its last leg. As you can see, I made the section pretty big compared to the ones beside it because I had to go to work in the morning and I was just ready to be done. As a result of being lazy, I have a pretty sloppy twist that needs to be fixed up. So that is what I'm going to do on camera with you guys and show you how I complete this style. So if you wanted to take your hair down as gently as I just did, you could definitely reuse spring twist hair. So this is what a twist looks like straight out of the bundle. So what I do is run my finger down it and rough it up a bit. And I've come to realize that I like to leave the ends with maybe a ½ inch of like the curl that it came in, just because I feel like it makes it look a little more cleaner when I finish the twist, and that's less trimming I have to do when I finish, because if you haven't realized it by now, baby girl is pretty lazy. Don't mind my dirty edge brush. When I originally did my hair, I used the Murray's Edge Wax and I ran out of that, so I'm just going to use my Even New York 24-hour edge tamer. I actually prefer to use edge control at the front just so it looks, you know, as clean as possible. But I definitely wouldn't use edge control in my whole head, especially the middle where nobody's really going to see it. That's just a waste of good edge control. And I feel like twisting it like this helps me grip it better. Not really sure if it does, but hey, it's what I want to believe. So I have my fluff strand of hair and I'm going to use my natural hair as the third leg and begin braiding this together. And I'm making sure that I'm braiding this as tight as I can get it, because this spring twist hair will slip. It's just what it does. Doesn't really matter what brand you get, it's just slippery. So once I've got it braided down a bit, I split my natural hair in half with the 2 pieces of the spring twist hair, and I'm going to twist going forward. So the last time I did spring twist and I was trying to figure out why one side was longer than the other and one side was shorter and more springy is because I started twisting my hair the wrong way. So with this hair, you have this twist going forward. So for whatever reason, it was more natural for me to twist going backwards, and you can't do that with spring twists. And for like my ends, I'll take a little bit of edge control and stick them on there. That way they're not like bushy and sticking out of the hair. And I twist down pretty much as far as I can and then twirl it around my fingers. And for like the loose hairs at the end, you can just go in and trim it up. Honestly, I really don't care because I won't be wearing this for that long, but there you go. A perfect spring twist. I guess another way to describe how I'm twisting is overhand twisting. Is this called overhand? When the right side goes over the left. I think it's called overhand twisting. Basically, you'll know if you're twisting the wrong way because either it'll spring up and be short or it'll be long and limp, and it'll resemble more so of a passion twist than a spring twist. And that is a major key if you're doing your hair because you could end up with a completely different style. Not sure how long it took me to complete this whole style because I did it over the course of 2 days. I would say it takes about 6 hours, but if you're lazy like me and you like to take a lot of breaks and procrastinate and all of that good stuff, you know, you gotta factor that in too. But shout out to my friend Rishanae for coming and helping me finish this because I just could not be bothered with braiding my hair. And thank you to Youngther on Amazon for sending me this hair to share with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I will put some videos on the screen of other braid tutorials I have on my channel. I like to think of myself as a little braid DIY queen, so check those out. And also stay on the lookout for my 1,000 subscribers giveaway because we'll be there pretty soon. We're knocking at 900 almost right now, and I'm so excited and thankful. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.